Hey guys, welcome to my channel Electronic Gadgets. Today we're checking out the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone Robot Vacuum and Mop, a high-performance cleaning solution designed for large homes with powerful suction and advanced automation. Right from the start, this robot vacuum stands out with its massive 19,500 Pa suction power, making it highly effective at removing dust, debris, and pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. One of the biggest highlights is the Bagless 60-day station, which allows you to go weeks without needing to empty dust manually. This adds convenience and reduces maintenance. The self-washing roller mop ensures your floors are cleaned thoroughly while keeping the mop fresh and ready for every cycle. It improves hygiene and overall cleaning performance. The zero-tangle design is especially useful for homes with pets, preventing hair from getting stuck and reducing the need for frequent cleaning of the brush. It also features smart navigation, allowing it to map your home efficiently, avoid obstacles, and clean in a systematic pattern for complete coverage. The GAN fast charging technology helps recharge the device quickly, making it ideal for larger homes where extended cleaning sessions are needed. With both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, it offers a complete cleaning solution in one device. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is a powerful, intelligent, and low-maintenance robot vacuum, perfect for users who want deep cleaning and full automation. Thank you, see you in next video.